Hello everyone, welcome to another live property tour. This is Nectaria Karabachi from Aegean Breeze. Aegean Breeze proudly presents Deco Suites, Beachfront Suites in Plaka Beach. Γεια σου Τζούλια. First suite consists of a double bed and a single bed, fridge, designed by Leah Stye, and this amazing sea view balcony. Kalispera, Graz. We have a wonderful hot day today on Naxos. Plaka Beach, 7 kilometers. The island is packed. Can't wait to show you the other one. For reservations, you can contact us directly. info@aegeanbreeze.gr. These suites, Yasuan, Yasu, Germany. These suites were just made free for reservations last minute. Yasuana. So let's have a look at the second one. Marlene, where are you? Yasu Fraser. So this is a 2-bedroom suite. Two twin beds. A very nice design. Marlene, do you like the suites? Just ready. Γεια σου, καλησπέρα, Μόνικα. Bathroom, shower, and a double bed with a nice stone deco. We are at Deco Suites, Plaka Beach. Kalimera Ελλάδα. There's a huge veranda here. With amazing Aegean views. A big table for your dinner. Πολύ ωραία. Let's go inside again. For the ones who just joined, we are at Deco Suites. Just made. A very nice design. Close to the beach, 1 minute away. Yasu Monica. I love each and every detail. They are big bedrooms. Ideal for families with children. Toilet. And 2 twin beds here, their own balcony. The suites are located just at the end of Plaka in a quiet area. You just hear the sea. I hope you like these suites. For reservations, you can contact us directly through our page or send us an email. Φιλάκια from Naxos. Bye!